Welcome back to Angie's Guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to find LinkedIn username or find the LinkedIn ID. Let's begin. Now, the first thing you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time here in LinkedIn, click on the Join Now option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Okay, so knowing your LinkedIn username or ID allows you to share your profile link easily with potential employers, colleagues, clients, business partner, or networking contacts. This can facilitate connections and of course, it can create professional opportunities because when you include your profile link on business cards or resumes, it can help others quickly access your professional background and connect with you. And of course, if you're active in multiple social media platforms, including your LinkedIn profile link in your bio or posts, it can drive traffic to your LinkedIn profile, expanding your professional reach. Now, the thing is, getting your or finding your username or LinkedIn ID is a very straightforward and easy process. You can do this on your mobile device. Just open your LinkedIn app and I need you to hover to your profile section here. Okay, so click on the view profile. It's the same process even if you use on the mobile app. Click on that and do you see the pencil icon here? Okay, this pencil icon is your public profile and URL. Now you can directly copy it, paste it to your resumes, to your email address, to your contact. You can share it with any other platforms. But if you click on the pencil icon, you can basically customize how your URL would look like right here. Okay, now click on this one if you want to. And from here, you can, of course, edit the sections right here. You can, if it's available, right? Because sometimes you have to check if the availability of the username you wanted for your LinkedIn ID. Well, let's try if that would work. Try and save. And while you're at it, you might want to, edit the contents of your LinkedIn profile. You can basically customize all of these. But if you wanted to have more control over your profile settings, you need to upgrade to a different plan for the LinkedIn. Now, if you encounter any problems along the way, especially finding your LinkedIn username or LinkedIn ID here, you might need to go to the Help Center, which is down here. Click on it. And these are your options to check if they have troubleshooting steps on how to find your LinkedIn username if you can't find it on your account. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next one.